Hello friends, here I am going to show you how to remove 40 minutes limit in Zoom app. So most of you may know that you are using the basic account, the free account, and when you logged in with more than 3 participants, you have to re-log in after 40 minutes. So we'll see how we can remove this without purchasing the license version. Now here I am going to show you the mobile app. But if you want to see the computer version, then you can see there's a video on my channel. It's on top, I have mentioned, so you can go to that. Now here, once you have logged into your Zoom account, you can see the schedule. You have to go to schedule. Once you go to schedule, here you have to schedule your meeting. I'm going to schedule a meeting for 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. So if I use the free account, I have to log in 3 times for this because I am using 2 hours. But here I am going to divide into 4 separate sessions. Okay, we'll see how we can do this. First, I am going to type my session topic. So you have to remember this. Now I told I am going to divide into 4 sections, so for all the 4 I have to use this same topic. So I just type it and I just copy it, then it will be easy for me. So this is the topic, you have to use it for the whole other schedule. So okay, now here I'm going to change the date and then I'm changing the time 10 a.m. You have to careful with this a.m. p.m. Then I'm going to change 10 a.m. to, now here it says it's 30-minute limits. I say okay. Then here 10:30 p.m. I have to change it to 10:30 a.m. So I'm going to divide into 30 sessions. Okay, so 30-minute sessions. I'm using from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. 2 hours, and I divide into 30-minute 4 sessions. Okay, so for single meeting I have 4 sessions. This is the first session I am creating. Then you have to be very careful. Here you should not select use personal meeting ID. Normally it's by default it's deselected. Keep it as it is, don't select it. And then you can go down, you can change the other options. So if you want, you can change the passcode for easier one. Then once you have changed the options, you can press done button. Once you press done button, the meeting invitation will come. You can send it via Gmail or email, or else you can invite it and you can copy it and send it to your participant. And this is the link you are going to send to your participants. This is your meeting ID, meeting passcode. This should be sent to your participants. Okay, the first one we schedule from 10 to 10:30. Then I have to schedule another 3 sessions. I told you that even though I am doing one single meeting, I am going to put it as 4 sessions, 30 minutes, 4 sessions. Then once I logged in through the first meeting, it continuously goes till 12. Now here I went back to schedule and then I am just pasting what I have copied earlier and change the time, date and time 10:30 to 11 a.m. 10:30. And then 11 a.m. I have to set. Then again I have to remember that use personal meeting ID, just let it be like that way. We are not selecting that. Then again you can go down and you can change the options if you want, and then you can press done button. So once you have done, then the invitation comes, but I told you that we don't need these we are scheduling the meeting, but we don't need those meeting IDs. meeting invitations. Now here the third one, I am scheduling the topic I pasted and then the date changed, and then from 11 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Then again I am not going to change the personal meeting ID, just let it be like that. And then if I need, I'll change the other options, then I can go to done. Again I will get an invitation. This I just keep it as it is. I don't need to invite my participant via that. Then again the fourth one, the topic pasted, the date changed, time changed from 11:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. And then I'm not going to yes, 12 p.m. I have to change that. Then I'm not going to change the personal meeting ID. You can just go down, and if you want you can change the options, other options, then press done button. Again you will get, if you want to know about the more option thing, there's another video I have done, you can watch it. Now once I have done, you can see the scheduled meetings here on the meetings icon. Once you press, you can see the 4 sessions there, the 4 scheduled meetings are there. But you have to be very careful. You have to send the first meeting invitation only. You have to send the first meeting invitation only. So you have to select this and you have to start the meeting from here. Even once you have started, you don't have to re-log in or restart the meeting. It automatically goes till 12 p.m. we are going to start it at 10 and we'll go through 12 p.m. Now here you can see the invitations, how I can send it. I can send it via various messenger apps, or I can copy and send it, or I can send it through email. So once you have sent the first invitation, you have to tell your participation also. The participants have been informed that they will get a message like the user has been upgraded the system, something like that, and press OK button for that message. Then they will also can continue their meeting without any disturbances of re-login and all. I hope you understood. Have a nice day.